Hello guys, welcome to the new video, and today I will show you how you can fix too many requests bug which often occur in ChatGPT. Now this bug usually occurs if there are overloaded servers or you have asked too many questions from the ChatGPT. But if you want to fix it, the first thing you can do is you will have to search OpenAI status, and it will show you if the servers are actually overloaded, overcrowded, or anything which is related to that. So all systems are operational, there is no problem related to the servers. Now second thing you can do is you can just log out and log back in. If that still doesn't work, you will go to settings, browser settings, and then privacy and security, and you will have to just clear cookies specifically. Just clear the cookies and boom, it might start working. But if it still doesn't work, uh, there is another thing you can do, which is just switch the browser. I'm using Brave. If it doesn't work on Brave, then you can use Chrome or Firefox. It's up to you. Well, anyways, if there is still problem, if you are facing it, you can just let me know in the comments and I will just look into that. Thanks for watching the video. See you soon.